What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to Saturdays with Spy Guys, where we review Spy in the last 5 days. And as usual, here we have the last 5 candles, or daily candles I should call them, for Spy. So one of the things I want to come out with, guys, is just let's state the obvious, and everybody wants to know, is Spy going up, guys? Spy is, in my opinion, super bullish, but I'm going to point something out that you probably don't know about, which is Fibonacci levels, guys. So right now, Spy went up, guys, and it came back down right into that golden zone. And guess what happens after that? They're going to come here and they might retrace, which they did, maybe to the 674 area. But then it's off to the races, guys. I think we're going to have that Santa Claus rally pretty soon. All right, so let's go ahead and review the 20-minute chart, guys, which is, in my opinion, the best chart for you to day trade on, guys. And I want you to notice some of the things that are just super obvious, guys. I'm going to go into my dominator settings, guys, and I'm going to open up and click on my plots background so you guys can see my 50-day average, guys, and my 150-day average line. And you can see that cloud, guys. One of the things that I point out in my swing course, guys, and I'm going to let you have that for free, is when we have a cloud twist, it's a real reversal, guys. If I go back and show you every time we had a reversal on this cloud, guys, okay, on the 20-minute, it is a real reversal. And you can see how they went up and they keep going up, guys, not until they enter the cloud. That's when you start saying to yourself, are we going bearish? And we did. And right now, we are trying to break above this cloud again, guys, and I think they're going to do it because there is a lot of money on the line for these hedge companies. So people are trying to buy and make their yearly goals in the last few days of the year. Now let's take a look at one of the other things I look at on Saturdays, guys, is what was the total dip in the stock market or with SPY, guys. And you can see there that it was $14.44, and the total move up after that was $9.92, guys. Now this is why day traders do very well, because they understand how to stay in the trade and when to get out or reverse their trade. But one of the things I want to point out, guys, is this was the high of the week. We did not get back up there, and this was the high on the week before Friday, guys, which we are not there. And you can see we had a double top here, and that's a whole other conversation. But you know, if a double top happens, they can go this far, and that's exactly what happened there, guys. But you need to know we did not get back up. But if you're a day trader, you made some cha-ching. So now that we've reviewed everything on this chart, guys, you can tell that on the 20-minute, we look super simple on Spy, guys. If you're playing on the 1 minute, the 5 minute all week long, you are missing a lot of the points here, guys. Now, let me show you something. A good way for you to know if Spy is going to continue up, guys, is marking off your support and resistance areas, guys. Check this out, okay? So this is a big support area for Spy as of Friday. Okay, now during the week, if you want to find out if Spy is going to continue up, you mark this off, guys. As long as they stay above this area, they are going to continue going up, guys. And you can see clearly, okay, if you would have marked off the rest of the week, you would have seen they broke support, not once, guys, but twice. Check that out, okay? Now this up here happened. They hit this point 3 times, and on the 4th they failed. On this one, they didn't even take long, guys. They just did once and then boom, twice, okay? Now obviously there's a lot of people that say, wow, everything's on sale now when it gets down here, and then they start taking off, and that's what we have now, guys. Now we can claim, okay, a support area there based off these candles. So my expectation is SPY should come down to 678 and then continue on. So what does that mean for you? Very simple. If you like playing SPY, guys, this is what you're going to focus on. You're going to focus on this little itty bitty resistance area, and you're going to mark it off. You can put a line, you can make a little rectangle square like I do and call that resistance. And then you're going to go back a little bit and see, did we have resistance anywhere else? And you're going to find that we did. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, guys, and they rejected. Okay, so they need to bounce off of here and get up here. Now if they get above 681, guys, 682 area, it's going to be potentially off to the races. Okay, and what I mean by that is that they are going to take off. Okay, and let me show you. Okay, right in here, guys, you see right here, you see this big green candle, guys, where they hit resistance at 685. Then we have previous 689. I don't think that's going to be a problem. So I think they're going to just take off, and we should get somewhere near 689, okay, next week. Now, they have to get above this area, and they have to retest. If you don't know what a retest is, I'm about to show you. And you need to memorize these patterns, okay? So they need to come up, go past this, come back down, and bounce off of it, guys. And then they're going to go. Now, can they go without doing that? Absolutely. But this is the most bullish scene you can have. If you have that, that's go time, guys. So remember, above 681 and 682, it could be and mean it's off to the races. See you on the next video.